Hey guys, how are you? And welcome back to Growing with Lizzie. Now I am going to show you how it is to coupon once you join the Care Pass program. What you're going to do with that $10 extra buck are just an example of what you would do. These are actual true sales that are going on in CVS today, from Sunday all the way until this Saturday. So take advantage of those sales. Go get your little newsletter that's in the front of each store. Hopefully they still have copies. But yeah, I'm gonna show you where the red box is, and then I'll show you my transactions. All right, hope you enjoy.
Hey guys, so this right here is the Red Box Center, Extra Care Center, and this is how you scan your card. So you want to put your card in here, and that's what it'll say, and it comes out right here. There you go.
So guys, guess what? We got these for absolutely free. And you want to know how you got these for absolutely free? Stick with me. I'm going to show you how to get this transaction totally free with a moneymaker. Stay tuned. So the very first transaction that we are going to do is a sale that is in the CVS little newspaper. So we are going to get $5 extra bucks reward when you buy any 2 Nivea personal care, whether it's body wash or the men wash or just lotion like I did. So I chose to get the lotion, and I actually used 2 coupons that I don't have right now. I had one $2 one that was from the CVS app that I used for 1 Nivea, and then I had a physical coupon that was $1 off that I used on that Nivea. Also, if you joined the Care Pass, you were going to get $10 extra buck, and you can use this toward this transaction. So if you look at the receipt right here, I actually got the 2 Niveas, and they were $7.79 each, and then I used 1 Nivea body lotion, that's for that one, to take $2 off. Then I used the $1 coupon, manufacturer coupon that I had, and that was the $1 one. So the $2 out of the app and the $1 off that I physically had the coupon. So then I used the Care Pass $10 reward card, which got me the $10 extra buck, and the total came out to be only $2.98. Yes, $2.98. That is all that I paid for these 2 products. $2.98. Now, don't forget, you get that $5 extra buck that I already used at the store, but of course, that is my little sample. Also, after you subtract what you paid for, which is the $2.98, from that $5 extra buck that you're getting, you are actually making a $2.02 money maker. Now, if that is wonderful. So you got those 2 products for absolutely free, just for using the Care Pass program and the manufacturer coupons and the coupon that was in the app. just for using all those coupons, you got these absolutely free. Now, on to the next transaction. So, don't forget to take that little $5 and take it over to the next transaction, which the next transaction is buy 2 for $5.50, and you will get a $2.50 extra care bucks back. So, as you can see on the receipt, and of course I bought a little candy because it would have been a little bit less than the $5 extra buck. And if that happens and you have the $5 extra buck and those two came out to be less than $5, it's always good to grab a piece of candy or a piece of chip or whatever you would like that day. But don't let it be too much because you won't be able to save too much. Also, after we did all this, and those are the prices for it, as you can see, we had 2 manufacturer coupons, which were 50 cents off. Then, of course, we took that $5 extra buck, which is right there, and we took it to the sale. And guess what? Yes, the total came out to $138. Yes, only $138 after all those coupons that I used for those 2 items. That is it. And then after you pay for that, you're getting a $2.50 extra buck that I also created. But guess what? That will be a money maker as well. After the $2.50 extra bucks, you're going to take that away from $1.38. And it's only $1.12. Only $1.12 you're making a money maker as well. So not only did you get those for free and had a money maker, you also got those for free to make a money order. Now, let's go take our little extra buck to do the very last transaction. Now for the very last transaction, which this is on sale. You want to get a down tea for $2.94. You can also get the Tide Oxy, but I prefer the down tea because I am in need of softener. Also, you can't get enough of that softener. No, you can't. Also, don't forget that $2.50 extra bucks that you're gonna take over to this beautiful transaction, which that is only $2.94. So look at the receipt. I went and I purchased a down tea, used that little extra buck coupon, and all I had to pay was 65 cents. Yes, but the total was 44 cents, which the tax was 21 cents. So look at this, 65 cents out of your pocket. So if you think about it, every single one of your transactions were absolutely free. And that's how we do it. But if you want to look at it in another way, you can also say that you got $26.05 worth of merchandise and you only had to spend $6.86 of your money. That's an awesome deal. That's a very awesome deal. And that's how you coupon at CVS.